In this video, we will be showing you how you can fix if you can't access your money in Chime. These are the best fixes. First is to go to your application and then reset your password through the forget password link on the Chime app. You will need your email address to start this process. And if you no longer have access to your phone number, on the verification screen, you just need to click the Need Help and select Update Phone Number. If you forgot your email address, you can use the Forgot Email Address page on the Chime website to recover it. Now, if the account is on hold or suspended, Chime may place a temporary hold due to unusual activity to secure your account. So just contact Chime support directly to verify your identity and resolve the issue. Then holds are removed once your account is deemed secure. And that's how you can fix if you can't access your money on Chime. And thank you for listening.